Hey everybody, this is Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. I'm going to attempt to create a Mustang 350 Boss body for the drift cars. There they are right there. So that's what we're doing these days. And sorry about the lack of videos. I've been working on my track a little bit and working on this Mustang body, and after the computer failure I had to reload all my systems and try to recover all my passwords and work that I had accumulated over the last couple of years. But enough about that story. It's all over and done now. Computer's back up, and some of the files are available still, so I'm going to try to start working on some of the projects that I had going on from before. Once I can find the proper files and get them in the right spot, if I can do that, I will continue working on those, especially the 1/28 scale stuff, the WL Toys K series. I like those little cars a lot too. This is the equipment I'm going to use to be running the Creality printer here. It's just a little ThinkPad 12-inch laptop there. It's got a core processor in there, and it's pretty nice. Z61 import from Japan. Got it for 20 bucks at a garage sale. Had Windows XP loaded on it, so I upgraded it because it was, lo and behold, a 64-bit processor architecture in there. So you could do that. There's my curing station. There's some tools. Yeah, it's laying around. That's the kind of stuff you use when you're doing RC. Now that's pretty interesting right here. This is a box of wires that I have found, computer wires. So I gotta cut those all up, and that's gonna be scrap. And there's some more that I have found right there. So it's an ever ongoing process. Scrap wires and stuff. There's a lot of my trophies from when I raced RC cars. I have a bunch more ribbons and trophies. I'm going to be cleaning those guys up and setting them up. I'm making a little showcase for them and all that. I kind of neglected all that over the years. I had children and life and all that stuff. So now we're getting down here in the basement and we're going through stuff. So then we're going to take some cars out here and run them out here on the track before too long. You can see I'm using my basement as storage right now. Can't do too much running when you got a bunch of storage going on. So yeah, and I haven't even showed you the workshop yet. That is a total disaster. You can see I got my WL Toys plane hanging up over here. Couple of drones. There's an Associated car. You remember that one? I converted that one into a drift car. There's my 80s ghetto boom box modified. Yeah, and that's about it. Little quick view. There's my racing white screen. Yeah, that hooks into the computer. Pretty nice. I got it for free off Craigslist. Works. So yeah. Anyhow, hope you like this video. And on a Sunday morning, just having a cup of coffee. Wanted to try to get this project going as soon as I could, and I woke up early this morning and I tried it a different way, and lo and behold, we have a print going on that's going to take 8 hours to finish, and hopefully there's going to be a little Boss 350 Mustang GT body sitting in there for me to clean up and paint. So anyways, if you stuck around this long and you like it, think about hitting the like button and subscribe for me, would you? I'd appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel up here a little bit. So this is Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies saying have a great day. See you in the next one.